An exclusive coming in, we learned from sources that the Finance Ministry has expressed support for lenders with respect to RBI's draft project financing norms. In fact, the Department of Financial Services, has suggested adjustments to the proposed 5% provisioning norms. Let's go across to my colleague Prakash Pradarshi for all the details. Prakash, tell us what you're learning. Sources, in fact, tell you that the Finance Ministry, has expressed support.
Yes, we are learning from our sources that the Finance Ministry has supported the industry's views on RBI's draft project financing norms. In fact, Finance Ministry seeks fair amendments to the draft proposal. We are given to understand that the DFS has raised its concern with the RBI and suggested adjustment to the 5% provisioning norms. Along with that, DFS also finds that current proposal could be a disincentive for the industry, and therefore fair amendments are needed to ensure sufficient trade flow to the infrastructure sector. As you are aware that all these stakeholders have submitted their comments to the RBI, and there's a possibility that the draft proposal could put more pressure on the bank's balance sheet. Therefore, DFS is likely to hold another meeting with the RBI before the final guidelines are issued. Sources are also informing that the RBI may issue final project financing guidelines before end of the current financial year.
There comes a time when your heart calls for you to arise. Plant your feet solid into the ground. Decide your own limits. And then break right through them. Become something more. It's my time to rise.